Good morning, fam. Y'all, excuse my watery eyes right now. No? No? Oh, that one. I wanted to see that one.
It sounded like they put a brand new motor and transmission in it.
It's morning, y'all. It's early. Well, actually, we got here kind of late. But, look at these. I like that.
That's on the same platform.
That's clean. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. We out here. It's Cars and Coffee. It's my first time, but I'm gonna show y'all what they got here. The Fords. I like the blue on them. Oh, what is that, babe? What is that? That would be cool. What is it? Is it like a muff?
BRB.
That looks cool. And they got the rims on it and everything.
3-wheel motorcycle.
Yeah, that's kind of cool.
That is like actually like better for keep you from falling.
Yeah,
so like,
I would be more safe in that one. What the heck is this?
This one, the Prowler.
Prowler.
This came out back in 2000.
What? That looks weird.
Plymouth, which is related to Dodge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it supposed to do? Pull with that? That looks weird. The black thing.
This?
Yeah.
It's just a bumper.
That it looks plastic and it looks like it could break real quick.
It's just a bumper, so it's just.
That's weird. Interesting. Oh, they sound clean, huh?
I want to see that. Yeah, that thing sounded good and looking good.
I like this color. The paint job on that one. Yeah. Is it a wrap?
Yeah.
Or is it a paint job? Because it's like that chameleon. It's like that chameleon look. Do you see that? If I do anything, I want to do something like that. For sure. Wow.
Oh, that's exactly.
Yeah. Oh, the Impala? Yeah. Look at, what is this one? Joker? Is that Joker? Oh, the Nova. Yeah. That's. Oh, look at this one, the Joker. This one's clean. This one's done right. His whole concept is the Joker. I like that.
I'm liking my Monte Carlo.
Yeah, your shit's clean. Oh, the Joker, and then they got Batman right here. That's cool. And of course, this MC is clean as hell. That's when we came in.
See, the difference is, follow with no wheels.
Oh yeah, that shit looks plain Jane. That shit looks ugly to me.
Kind of put wheels on it.
It's basic. But the other one, hold on, where's the other one? It's down there, huh? Hold on. I want to go see that other one. Is it still there? Because we passed it. I didn't get to really see it, huh? Hopefully it's still there when we come back. You did? But I don't want to lose you in all this craziness. For real? Dang. Wow. Original 31,000.
Yeah, one on. Yeah.
Nice. He has one. What year is yours? Oh. Really? Wow. That's cool. Original owner, you guys. Now this is how you want to get it. This is how you should get your car. Original owner, pretty much brand new. No issues. Oh look, they got these vets. Double red. Let's go. That kind of gives me OBS vibes. That gives me OBS vibes, but in a van.
Yeah, that's about really same.
For real?
Yeah, same air.
Is that a paint job or is that, what is that?
This?
Yeah, why is it?
I think it's the Astro man.
No, but why is it that color?
Oh, it's same.
Oh, okay. It looks like metallic-ish. Oh, look. This is how I like the sparkles to be.
Yeah, but they got too much copyright.
Yeah, that's true.
Got the Camaro SS. Yeah.
That's nice. Oh, the Trans Am. That's what they have in movies, huh? That's what they got in movies.
Hey, what up, Bushy? What's going on, man? Doing good, man. Doing well yourself? Oh, good, good. I still got to get out there. I'm going to get out there. You didn't bring the iron on. No, I didn't bring it. No. I brought what I get? I just got me that thing. Check that out. That's it. Yeah, that's clean, man. Yeah. You had to build yours now. You got one. I'll check it out, dude. All right. I will see you out there, man. I'll see you. I'll give you a call. Yeah, that's mini.
Oh, that's cool. I like that. Everybody put it in what? Oh, look. What is this? An OBS? A Dodge?
Nah, it's a Chevy, but
No, it's a Chevy. But what?
Like an 84.
Oh, really?
That's the 84 body style.
Damn, that thing is low.
So it actually looks like a 70.
That is low. I like it. You're welcome. It's beautiful. And I like your hair.
What year is it? 85?
That is nice.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to everyone should actually get this one or the OPS.
That one's nice. Bye. She's such a pretty little girl. Oh, look at this one. And it's for sale. This one's clean. You can picture me rolling in this. I can picture me rolling in this. These wheels are just too big for me. Oh, wow. Damn, big for real. That one's nice. These rims are too big for me. Oh, look at that. Nova, baby. It's the older one, huh? What is this?
The first body style dark.
That's dope. Oh, look at the,
I didn't know this one.
of course, the C8. No, this one's not. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
There you go with the big wheels. One with the big wheels.
I don't. I'm not. That's not my thing. That's not my thing. You already know. I'm more. Oh, but this truck is kind of cool. What kind of rims are those? Yeah. It's okay. What kind of rims are those? For real? The little thing in the middle smaller.
Yeah, that's the thing.
So the bigger they get, the smaller?
No. You can change the cap.
Oh, for real? See, I like those rims.
Say what I just put on.
I know. But I'm saying the cap looks smaller than what you got. I'm learning.
I'll get out here early. I got city. I can't be out here playing with these folks. He'll walk around and then he'll drive through. And
Look, they got a pretty cool little spot right here. I didn't know that. Little market spot.
Man, all this is already built out.
Wow. Well,
Quick, that fast.
next month it's again.
It's every month.
So
Every
next
first-
month we'll know what time.
First Saturday.
What is this? Aero Coupe? No. The back reminds me of an Aero Coupe. What is that? That's cool. I like this one because it's different. The back. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. It reminds me of the Aero Coupe, huh? You know how Bags on the Go has his?
Which,
The window?
yeah, the box.
Yeah. This color is beautiful. Yeah, this to me is unique. I like it. But this one over here, the color is cool. And I think that concept is pretty cool too. Or is it he's gonna paint it? Or is that how he's gonna leave it? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I was like, cause that kind of looks cool.
But when you're racing, they like the flat.
Oh, to give you more wind.
From bouncing in your eye.
Oh,
The gloss, the pancakes.
that's smart.
That's why they make it flat.
That's
And
true.
that's where rally stripes came from. They make the rally stripes.
For real?
Yeah, they used to do them flat.
I didn't know that. That's cool.
Girl, bed, Tesla. Yeah, Tesla.
Where? That's oh yeah, it is.
All electric.
Yeah, but it's not that like it says decent. I mean, I don't know. It's not. I'm not crazy about Teslas. I don't know. Oh
I got
no.
one Camaro for like
Oh look, yeah,
It's a SS.
that's
The
cool.
difference is thing like the appearance, like the hood, that's the SS hood. See, that hood is the SS hood. It's not the one. Remember the other one I had?
Yeah,
That
it
went all
was
the way up?
big. It was
This
a
one-
6-inch, I think.
This one
6-inch, I think.
wasn't
Oh, okay. That's cool.
truck.
Oh,
There you
OBS.
go, both of them, OBS and then this one.
Okay.
Now, which one?
I kind of like this one.
Huh?
This one.
You like that one, right? The 85. You get it. I could get it 87 and it'll look like that.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, look, another one.
Get it.
But this is a
Actually get it.
GMC.
Yeah, I mean, it's the same shit.
That's cool. Look at this
Well,
one.
OBS, I think, is better for like more easy. For what
Yeah,
I'm
I think I like yours. Oh. Wait, we gotta go see that pumpkin patch. I'm not a fan of the. If we're gonna do a trek, it's gonna be like that gray one you had. Yeah, but how it was big and. This is the new Broncos, huh? Yeah. Oh, so this is the bigger one. Okay, cause I've seen some other ones and they were like small. They always trying to revamp things, huh? Yeah. Did the Bronco always have that little horse right there? The logo? What? X5. That's cool. They hand did that with marker?
OBS S10.
Is that hand
Got
did
the
with
S10.
marker?
Oh, yeah. What's that
They
little truck?
crazy. Oh shit. That is small.
I think that is, man.
Small as hell. This color right here is everything.
Pumpkin patch.
Yeah, this color. I love it. Look at how it changes. Is this a wrapper now?
Yeah.
It is? I like it. There's purple, there's blue, there's gold. Let's see what other colors I can find. That blue shift is clean. What other color y'all see? Dang, it's so pretty. You see that blue shift too? Ah, that's pretty. I like that. Oh. Yo, this is my first time out here and so far, so good. I like this one. I like this. Oh, yeah. These are nice. What are they called? These are nice. Look at the grill, the back. I'm not the grill.
Actually, that's what the dude put on his Corvette. Remember when we went to go buy those Corvette rims?
Yeah.
In the rallies?
Yeah. I like.
He ended up putting these on his Corvette and selling his rally. Or trying to sell his rally. Well, there's the problem right there.
What kind of car is this?
It was $1 until I got it.
Here you go.
What kind of owner? What kind of car is this?
Huh?
What kind of car is this?
Basically same. It looks like it's on the same platform as like a Ford Mustang.
Oh, okay.
Ford owns
But I think a black.
I think Mercury, Ford Mercury Cougar.
I swear there's some different cars that I've never seen before here. Like that one. I don't know.
Old school Mazda.
Wow.
Like more
It's so retro with the thing on the back, kind of like your IROC.
Yeah.
What are they called again?
The Louvers.
Yeah.
Louvers on the back.
Loud as hell. That's pretty cool. Yeah. This is so cute. But this is metal, right? Metal body. Until they stop making them like that, huh? It's crazy. Whoever wanted to do the switch up from metal to whatever they're doing now, stupid.
Trying to make the car lighter.
Yeah, but more fucking fragile as hell. That brown. I like the brown. California plates. I know about them because of you. Oh, go ahead. Got the Honda. Like, no, we need to see the car. You go first. Like, you go first. We want to see the car pass. What are these, babe? These things? Are they like palm trees or what? Because they remind me of
Little Bonnies.
You guys.
Called Little Bonnie. You got that copyright.
I know. Gots to go. Gots to go.
Firebird, man.
This one's
is on the
clean.
same platform as like the Camaros. Like that one you seen over there.
Yeah.
Small Camaros.
I like this matte black.
This is something that you would like to have.
Just hear that. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Got the Ranger. He's jamming out. Another Ford. That's cool. I love it. This is called Chesham Creek or something.
Like way smaller. You guys way smaller than the Monte Carlo inside.
Yeah. This is not a bad size either.
You gotta whip one of them.
I like this one. I wish I can drive it. Where's the owner? Yeah, please.
Let's see if we can get you to look at that Impala.
Okay.
So you can see what made you like this Impala so much.
I like the blue. Oh yeah, I hope he's still here. I hope that Impala is still here.
Yeah, he can.
So so hopefully he's still here.
Bell on back, y'all.
Yep.
You know, keep it lit.
Heck yeah.
Lit.
This color is so clean, you guys. This is actually kind of cool. I like that Oklahoma does this. Huh.
There's enough people that
I honestly never knew that they had this much car scene.
that's body.
I know all about that. I know all about
I
it.
was gonna get that one, but one. No, this is the Camaro, like that Firebird back there. No, this is the small one.
Hey, is these the people that we met in Meridian? No.
I had a note.
Oh, that's right. No. Yeah. But it's the same color, huh? Original same color. Oh, yeah.
Smaller it is.
Yeah.
The size.
Yeah. Still clean. Right.
All the kids are like.
Yep.
How do they get those? I mean, they're Conrad's kids. They're all.
Oh, I know that guy. I know that man. He is. Yeah. We gonna keep on going. Oh, look, they got Domenico coffee and dessert bar. I might need to check that out.
This car's coffee, and you drink coffee. You don't got a coffee in your hand.
I'm working, baby. I'm working. Oh, C8.
Get this footage for y'all, man.
Look, watch. Look at that. Look at that. Man. Man, we used to ride like that in the back.
Yeah, you gotta get a lumber.
I remember that. I remember riding in the back of the truck with my grandpa.
You just got a look.
Yeah, but this one don't got shit on it. So this is a clean. It's clean.
All that money to get a stock factory one to fix it up.
Oh yeah, it's already fast and good to go. It's made good to go.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. No. Okay, so I got to see that.
But then Paula they got a style to them, like you know what they look like.
Yeah. They're yes, but was it money calling? I want to go see that one in
now.
Paul.
Let me call you back when I'm done.
I'm about to go.
You already left? I'll call you back.
We see that Impala. Is it still there?
What?
That Impala.
Oh, boy, you leaving today.
That green is pretty. That green right there. I like that color. I really like that. I don't know what that is. Ah! That green. That highlighter yellow that looks kind of greenish. Where? This black one? Oh yeah. I like those rims actually.
Those are the ones I was telling you about. Put on the Chanel.
I like those. Yes, I like those. Those are nice. Is the Impala still here? Is the Impala? I don't see it. I think so. Damn it. That was a clean Impala. And I'm not a fan of them. Damn it. I should have went back. Huh. It's alright. It's alright.
Hold on.
Did he relocate? Impala that I liked.
I know.
He had the right
You didn't
rims.
catch it.
I know. This paint job's nice though. How it glistens in the... Man, yeah, we did.
Well, they be having like drive-bys, but they be smashing mine.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, fuck all this.
Yeah, let's go over there. Man. What, is that Impala normally here?
I never seen it.
Ah, damn. Hopefully he'll come back.
All they just had is the wheels.
No, I like the grill. The grill had the Impala, the custom Impala. Huh?
Christmas.
That grill?
Steering wheel and mattress.
I didn't even know that they made a grill like that. Oh, this is where they come. Interesting. Babe, look, I'm wearing this shirt just so they know I'm babe.
That shirt come from? And they was gone.
Damn. Oh, that's where we was at the other night. Main event.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Now you know where we at.
That's pretty dope.
We got the look. We on the opposite side.
Is this like a Fox body?
Huh? Yeah, passenger side.
Oh shit. He's on the other
Being
side.
imported.
That's cool. I was like, what do you mean he's on the other side? It gives me Fox body vibes. That you don't see very often. Huh.
Fox body. You said
Vibes.
Classic style.
Fox body style vibes.
All right.
That shit is so loud.
Get off the ground because it's one of them parts.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm trying to burn out. Roll out. No, I think we're good. We good, baby. This was pretty cool. We'll come early next time for sure. But I'm glad I got to come and see this for sure. It's early in the morning for that. It's like rave music, I feel. What? Oh shit. They just got here, huh? Cause I didn't.
Some lowrider
I did. Oh, they weren't here. We would have spotted it. They just pulled up. Oh, I like the colors. The color scheme they got going on. Oh, I like it. It's clean.
Oh, yeah, they're a little white.
Yeah. This one? Oh, yeah, we did see this one. It's pretty nice. Yes.
I shouldn't give a damn, but yeah, I got water bottle, water.
Okay, that was actually really fun, you guys. Throughout the years, I think, well, growing up, I used to be into lowriders, and now I expanded my car likes into everything. Like, I love a good classic car. I love a good retro car. Thanks to you.
Retro, baby.
And to be honest, like, this was actually really cool. Like, it's once a month. It's the first Saturday of every month.
The first Saturday.
The first Saturday of every month.
Not the first of the month.
No, first Saturday. Yeah.
Whatever day
And
the first
it's over
Saturday.
here, Northwestern Avenue, Pawnee Drive, where this what is that called? Top Golf is. Yeah, you go over there, and it's over there, and it's actually really cool. I've never been here. Today was the first day, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys come and check it out. If y'all are in Oklahoma, y'all should check it out. It's pretty cool. It's called Cars and Coffee, right?
Yeah.
Cars and Coffee, and bring some coffee. Come look at cars and check out the love of everybody's cars. It's really cool. It's really dope.
Morning event.
It's a morning event, yeah. So next month I want to come with you, and we're gonna come earlier than yes, and we're
8
gonna
o'clock.
be ready. Yeah, for sure.
More about 8 to 10, 10:48 people.
Yeah,
more
'cause-
like an 8 to 10 type of deal.
Yeah. So for sure we're gonna do that. But if you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm here to bring you a lot of dope content on here. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Support your girl and her journey in life, doing whatever it is that she feel like doing. So y'all stay tuned, because I got a lot of stuff that I'm gonna drop on this channel. And you know, if you have any ideas of what I
You gotta
should,
be open-minded to be subscribed to me.
yeah, y'all gotta be open-minded for sure, because I'm not gonna put myself in a box. I don't want to put myself in a box. I love car stuff. There's a lot of other stuff. I love trying new places.